Ma'am.
Eighth exercise done. Any doubt anyone has in eighth exercise?
Ma'am, I have.
Yes. Question number?
Ma'am, the fifth one.
Fifth one. One second, I need to open the question so that I can copy. Eighth exercise. No? Fifth one. Time taken by the person to cover 150 kilometer. That one, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Janet, are you there? Can you this one help me in this one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. How to solve? Samrita, which method you have used? First or second method? According to that, I will explain you. Are you able to listen? Are you able to hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then fine. Because I need to keep on asking. Today's internet problem is there. Yes, Samrita, which method you are solving? First or second method? No, not getting audio.
First one.
First one.
Yes, ma'am.
The time taken by the person to cover 150 kilometers. The distance remains same. Was 2.5 hours more than the time taken by the in the return journey. That means the same distance is covered. If he return at the speed of 10 kilometer per hour more than the speed of going. So speed of going consider as x. Speed of going consider as x. Then returning speed is x minus x plus 10. Now while increasing the speed, time taken was 2.5 hours lesser. So first initial speed time will be y hours if it is taken. Now it will take 2.5 hours less. So that means y minus 2.5. Distance remains same.
Okay, so
So it is first equation is xy is equal to 150 while going. So this is ongoing journey. And returning journey, x plus 10 is the speed. Time will be y minus 2.5. The distance remains same. That is 150.
okay, ma'am.
That's it. So find out x value.
Fine, ma'am.
Okay. Any other doubts? Anyone else?
I have a doubt.
Yes. Question number.
Ma'am, exercise 4.9, question number 9.
Equal to 150 x plus 10 into y minus 2.5.
Amrita, mute your mic.
Sorry, ma'am.
One second. I'm opening.
Okay, ma'am.
Ninth one exercise. Ninth one. Which question?
Ma'am, question number 9.
Okay. Fine. Okay. Wait. I will explain the other ones and then I will come back to that question. That is an interesting question, and every student has that problem. Others for eighth exercise. Anyone has a doubt?
Ma'am, the sixth one.
Sixth one also the same method.
Okay, I'll try.
40 minutes late. That means it has taken 40 minutes less time, not more time. So any train or a plane is moving 40 minutes late. So to cover up the same time, it has increased the speed. That means what? It has late 40 minutes but arrived at the same time. That means it took 40 minutes less time.
So the difference between them will be equal to 40
40 minutes, so convert into
minutes.
hours.
Okay, ma'am.
40 by 60.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. And any other in the eighth exercise? Anyone still anything problem? Any doubt you have still? Aditi, you're not sending me any homework.
Ma'am,
Amulya, no homework. I'm getting.
ma'am, did you receive my science homework?
Yes, I received. I've seen it. Roshita, homework. You people are not sending homework. So how will I get to know that you have done or not? Yes, Manisha, I received yours. I've seen it. Shridash,
I'll send it after the class today.
Revti,
Ma'am, I'll send it, ma'am.
Sharad, and yours also I'm not getting.
Ma'am, I'll send it.
You're solving?
Yes, ma'am.
No doubts?
Ma'am, ninth question of ninth exercise.
Ninth exercise. Okay, that I will solve. No any other doubts? Anyone else? Rishika, no homework I'm getting. Question 8th. Eighth question of 8.8, that is 4.8. A train travels at a certain average speed for the distance 63 kilometer, then travels 72 kilometer at an average speed of 6 kilometer per hour more than the original speed. If it takes 3 hours to complete the total journey. Yes, this is exemplar question. A train takes a certain average speed. So suppose that average speed, original speed, we will consider as x kilometer per hour. Original speed as x kilometer per hour. Now it covers a 63 kilometers, and then travel a distance of 72 kilometer at an average speed of 6 kilometer per hour more. So time taken to cover 63 kilometers, what is the time is taken? For covering 63 kilometers, distance is maintained as x kilometer per hour. So what is the time taken to cover 63 kilometers? That is 63 kilometers. And then next 72 kilometers has been traveled by speed is, this is x kilometer per hour. And this to this traveling 72 kilometers further has been done with x plus 6. So what is the time taken? It is t1 and here t2. And total t1 plus t2 is given as 3 hours. So what is time is equal to distance by speed. So what is distance? 63 divided by speed is x plus time 2, distance is 72, speed is x plus 6, total is equal to 3. Clear, Rohit?
Yes, ma'am.
Any other doubt? Mark this exercise. This is important one. 8th one. Now come to the 9th exercise, 9th question. That is also exemplar question. At present, Asha's age is 2 more than square of her daughter Nisha's age. So at present, so Nisha and Asha. Present ages. Present age, Nisha, if we consider X, then what is Asha's age? 2 more than square of her daughter Nisha's age. 2 more than square of her age. X square plus 2. It's clear now? This is clear? Nisha
Yes,
we have
ma'am.
considered X and Asha will be X square plus 2. Now when Nisha grows to her mother's present age, means Nisha will become Asha's right now age. Suppose in a number instead of X and Y, if you consider Nisha, present age is suppose 5 years and Asha now it is 27 years. Now when Nisha will grow, after how many years Nisha will become Asha's age?
22.
How you have calculated?
27 minus 5.
27 minus 5.
27 minus 5 you have calculated. Now it is in terms of X. Nisha right now is X years and Asha right now is X square plus 2 years. Then what will be the this one? Nisha's age. When Nisha will become Asha's age? After how many years?
X square plus 2 minus x.
So after X square plus 2 minus X years. What will be the Nisha's age? After these many years, what will be the Nisha's age? X plus this year, X square plus 2 minus X, X get cancelled. Now Nisha will be X square plus 2, which is Asha's right now age. Then what will be the Asha after that many years? After these many years, what is Asha's age?
X square plus 2 plus X square plus 2 minus X.
X square plus 2 minus X. So that means now Asha, if when Nisha will become 27, how long, this will, what is the age of Asha? That means this is after 22 years. Then after 22 years, what is the Asha's age? You are adding
49.
these two.
49.
You will add these two. That is 49. So here that is only we have done present age and these many years after we have added. So this will become 2x square plus 4 minus x years. So this is the Asha's new age. Now what they have given, when Nisha grows to her mother's present age, Asha's age would be, so at that time Asha's age would be 1 less than 10 times present age of Nisha. So Asha's new age is equal to 1 less than, how much? 1 less than 10 times Nisha's present age. It's clear? So what is new age of Asha? 2x square plus 4 minus x. 10 times what is Anisha's present age?
X.
X minus 1. So this is our equation. Simplify this. Got this equation? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes,
can you
ma'am.
explain it once again?
Here what is Asha's present age? X years. And now what is, sorry, Nisha's present age is X years. What is they have given the relation of Asha's present age? So Asha will be 2 more than square of her daughter Nisha's age. So that means it is Asha's age is 2 more than Nisha's square of Nisha's present age. That is x square plus 2. Now when Nisha grows to her mother's present age. That means after how many years Nisha will be this age? That means the difference of these two ages. That is x square plus 2 minus x years after. What will be the Nisha's age? When we add this equation and this one, we will get x square plus 2. So that means the Asha's present age. After that many years, what is Asha's age? In Asha's right now age, add these many years. So x square plus 2, x square plus 2 minus x, we have to add. So it will be 2x square plus 2 plus 2, 4 minus x years. So this is Asha's new age. Now what they have given the relation, after that happens, Asha's age would be 1 less than 10 times of 10 times the present age of Nisha. 10 times the present age of Nisha. So it is 1 less than. So we have to subtract 1. How much time? 10 times Nisha's present age. So it is Asha's new age is 2x square plus 4 minus x. That is equal to 10 times Nisha's age is x minus 1. Is it clear?
Yes, mom.
Now solve this equation. 2x square minus x minus 10x plus 4 plus 1 is equal to 0. So 2x square minus 11x plus 5 is equal to 0. So that is 5 to the 10. Product is 10. So 2x square minus 10x minus x plus 5 is equal to 0. 2x into bracket x minus 5 minus 1 into bracket x minus 5 is equal to 0. So factors are x minus 5 and 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 5 or x is equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 not possible. So therefore, Nisha's present age is 5 years. 1 by 2 is possible, but that is not practically possible. 1 by 2 that means 6 months. So practically not possible. So therefore, x is equal to 5. So Nisha's present age is 5 and Asha's present age will be 27 years. Is this clear?
Yes, mom.
Yes,
Yes, mom.
Everyone, Sharad, clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Then
Yeah, hello. 10th and 11th exercise you can solve. Those are easy. 10th are only 4 questions. 11th, 10 questions are there. That is easy based on geometry. You can solve. Doubts are there. You can ask me tomorrow. And 12th exercise. This is a 12th exercise. First question. Older one 12.2. So it is 8.12. And the new book 4.12 exercise. So first question. Do you remember yesterday tab question you have solved?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
The same question. These are the same questions based on those tab questions. Time and work question, inverse proportionality. A takes 10 days less than time taken by B to finish a piece of work. So whatever the work time is needed by the B, whatever the days B will do to finish the work, the 10 days lesser time is needed by the A. So A will do faster work. If both A and B working together, they can finish the work in 12 days. Find the time taken by the B to finish the work. So you have to consider, can anyone help me in this question? How to solve? Yes, Bhavya?
Let the number of days required by B to finish whole work be X.
Time taken by B to finish the work, B X days. Okay, then
Time taken by A,
to finish the work is
X minus 10.
X minus 10 days. Okay,
Both A and B are together finish the work in 12 days. So the work done by B in 1 day will be 1 by X.
work
But
done by B in 1 day is equal to,
1 by X.
okay, X part.
And work done by A in 1 day is equal to 1 by X minus 10 part.
Okay,
So in 1 day, total work done by A and B is equal to 1 by 12.
in 1 day, total work done by A plus B both is equal to,
1 by 12.
okay, 1 by 12th part.
Yes, ma'am.
So relation between them is,
1 by X plus 1 by X minus 10 is equal to 1 by 12.
okay. Now further you can solve this question. Everyone,
Yes, ma'am.
do you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Venkat, you want to tell anything? Venkat, do you want to tell anything? No, it's not working. Mic is not working. Others understood this question?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am is x 30.
Yes, right. Yes, x is 30. Next question. Now here question's tricky. One pipe fills the reservoir in 10 hours faster than the other. This means 10 hours faster than the other. So that means the seconds time will be, what is the time taken by second?
X minus 10.
X plus 10.
X plus 10.
X minus 10.
Rohit, Rishika.
X plus 10.
X plus 10 you are telling. It is now, suppose your friend is doing the homework given in 1 hour and you are doing it 10 minutes, 20 minutes faster. So that means you are taking more time or you are taking less time.
Less time.
Rishika, more or less?
Less time.
So that means it is,
X minus 10.
it will be x minus 10. This is the trick in this question. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
X is 30.
Yes, right.
X is equal to 30.
Yes, right. X is 30. Next question I've already given. 30 years, Savita. Of the
Ma'am,
exercise, this is the fourth question.
Ma'am,
Yes?
are we supposed to convert this minutes into hours, or is it fine like that?
No, it is minutes is fine because it is given if 1 minute one pipe takes 5 minutes more. So it is also in minutes. So keep it in minutes only.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
uh, time taken for the first pipe is 20 minutes and the second one is 25.
I think so. Yes, 20 and 25 minutes. Both done. What happened? Are you able to hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I am not
Yes.
getting it after the middle term splitting part.
What's the question? What's the middle term you got?
X
Equation,
square,
first equation it is.
ma'am.
What is the equation you got?
1 by x plus 1 by x minus 5 is equal to 1 by 100.
X minus 5. 5 minutes more, no? X plus 5 is equal to
1 by 100.
1 by 100. 11 into 9, 99 plus 1. That is
100 by
9.
100 by 9.
And then the reciprocal of it. 9 by 100. Fifth one, can you solve? This is the same question as the NCRT one question I have already given you. In linear equations, you have solved the same question.
Ma'am,
Yes?
ma'am, the larger pipe will take 20 hours and the smaller pipe will take 30 hours.
Yes, right. Adhika, what is the equation of fifth you will get? Adhika, have you solved the fifth one? Started solving fifth one? Adhika, have you started solving sixth one? Fifth one, sorry.
Ma'am, I'm still doing.
Fifth one you're doing?
Yes, ma'am.
Fourth one done? Have you done the fourth one? Jessica, can you tell me?
Yes, ma'am.
Fifth question, equation. For what purpose we have to use x?
Time taken by the larger diameter.
Okay, time taken by larger pipe is equal to x hours. Okay, then
So time taken by the smaller pipe is x plus 10.
time taken by smaller pipe is equal to x plus 10 hours. Okay, then
In 1 hour, larger pipe will fill 1 by x.
in 1 hour, larger pipe will fill 1 by x part.
And smaller pipe will fill 1 by x plus 10 part.
1 by x plus 10th part. Okay, after that, larger diameter pipe is used for 4 hours. So this means
4 by
4
x.
by x.
so 4 by x part of the work it will do. Then smaller will be used for 9 hours. That means
9 by x plus 10.
9 by x plus 10. Altogether they are doing in how much time they are how much part of the tank they have filled?
Half of the full.
Half tank. So it is equal to half. Clear equation?
Yes.
Equation clear to you?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Then solve it.
Ma'am, larger one will take 20 and smaller one will take 30 hours.
Yes, 20 and 30 years. Completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then this is 12th exercise finished. 1/12 exercise, one extra question is there in the new book, so which is similar to the fourth question, exactly same as fourth question. Okay, so now you will finish 9th you have done, 10th and 11th you have to finish by tomorrow. 10th and 11th exercise. 10th 4 are there only, out of that 2 you have solved. Only 2 extra you have to solve, and 11th also you have solved pretty more. Very less are there. Then 13th after that you will solve. By Monday, till Monday, you can finish this 3 exercises. 10th one, 11th one. 10th and 11th finish by tomorrow. That you can do. And 13th one you will do by Monday. Okay?
Ma'am, can you repeat the homework?
10th and 11th exercise.
Okay, ma'am.
10th only 4 are there. Out of that 2 you already have solved. Only 2 are left. And 11th has 10 questions. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes?
ma'am, do we have science today?
Yes, you have. Now I'm starting.